What's going on, everybody? We're here today for another video. Gonna be working on the S13 in here. Gonna be getting rid of this. And the last thing in the interior, from the factory part of the interior, was a little crusty and, you know, obviously needs replaced. So we're actually doing all new wheels, all 5. So steering wheel and then the 4 corners of some new fresh boys. So waiting on tires to show up probably like tomorrow and get those mounted and then get that going. But we're gonna start today with getting rid of this guy. So there's no screws, at least in this particular wheel. Anytime it is easy, you just kind of pull on it and it popped off. Should just be a 19 here, and I think this fucker will just come off. Best fucking tool ever. So couldn't beat my fucking steering wheel off because it's a cunt and 30 years old and been on there. So I already knew that was gonna happen, so I went and bought or rented a fucking steering puller. So this is it kind of set up. You got your 2 little threaded bolts here, and then your 1 rod that goes into like this little guy here, and then you fucking get your nice old impact with your fucking 13 mil socket. Oh, there it is. Look at that. So with the new hub on, basically I just like pushed it on, got the little nut tightened down. Well, we got the new wheel in. Not too bad. I just want to get rid of the crusty wheel because the wheel cover I had on it would fucking slip as you were turning and said like, psh, but the wheel would stay in the same spot, so it was kind of sketchy. But yeah, that's wheel number 1 of 5. We're going on the rest. Yo, so flash forward a couple days. We got tires in. Gonna go get them mounted right now. Gonna throw it on the car. It's gonna be sick. I'm excited for them. We out here. Got my wheels. We're at the storage unit. We're gonna drop them off real quick. I'll give you a quick. We're at the storage unit with the S13. So you know what that means. It's time to get to work. I had a seized lug on this one, so I'm going to break it by hand. Hopefully it comes off without getting too fucked up. And then get the last corner on, do some shots. What it looks like with the new wheels. It's sick. It's sick. Don't forget your hub-centric wheel rings, or hub-centric rings. for, quite honestly, one of the most satisfying parts about this whole install. Not necessarily like, oh, it's the coolest, you know, fucking company out there, but the satisfying click of putting on a freaking center cap. Oh yeah. Sheet on there, boy. Little polish. Sheesh. Looks like the turd from the front, but I'll back up. Some nice shots in the sun. These are, talk about them, they're Square G33 wheels. If you don't know, they're R33 rep wheels. It's like with sizing spec for an S chassis. So they're 17 by 9 plus 15 all around. And it's alright. It's just a kind of commuter car more or less, so I just want it to look good. So I'm not going for crazy static anything. But yeah, I mean, I'll get some shots, but that's about gonna wrap it up on this video. Got new wheels, all 5 wheels, because this guy is in here as well. It's the OG wheel from my S14. Looking sick. So outside, minus paint, is looking exactly how I envisioned this car. Interior is looking good. Got the R34 seats, got a nice shift knob, the dash is cleaned up. I'm so happy with this car. Paint it, finish the interior, that little touches, and fucking drive it. This thing's awesome. Kind of a quick project, I guess, at this point, but who knows what'll happen. Maybe I'll find a nice deal on another JZ swap on an SR. Maybe I'll go LS, who knows. But for now, it's just my crusty coupe that we're cleaning up. So, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Throw me a like, leave a comment down below what you think of the new wheels, what you think of the coupe, and go ahead and hit a subscribe button if you feel like seeing more of the content of either the janky zenki or my crusty coupe. So, don't forget to play in traffic.